Do you want to paint your nails without any mess? Then this video is only for you. Cause today I'm going to show you guys how to paint your nails professionally without any mess. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So let's get started. So the tool to paint your nails professionally is this nail protector. It is from the brand BeautyBigBang and it retails $2.99, which is almost equals to 200 rupees. This nail protector comes in total 26-piece set of different sizes from size 1 to size 10. You have to check which size fits perfectly with which finger. This nail protector mainly helps in protecting the edge of the nails. First, check the perfect size that fits tightly and properly on your nails. Then fit the nail protector like this. And finally, apply the nail polish quickly. And then take off the protector and you are done. This nail protector helps to protect the edge of the nails and also it is reusable and can be cleaned easily. Either use nail polish remover to clean it or let the polish dry on the nail protector and then scratch it off. Only disadvantage is that it doesn't protect the cuticle area, so you have to be careful while applying over there. So if you're interested in buying this product, then check the description box where there is a direct link of it, and also you can get 10% off if you use my code AURA10. I hope you find this video helpful and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.